Three.
My name is Jimmy. I live here in Bicol region in the province of Albay, and we live in the town of Taraga, in Santa Cruz Street, Taraga, Albay. And I am a missionary, and I'm a missionary in another barangay or another town of Bakakay, which we call it the capital beaches of Albay, the beaches. So we meet Paul here in what we called it Sawangan Food Lane. Yeah, it was.
Why, Jimmy, did you become a missionary and a pastor? What made you want to do that type of vocation?
Okay, very good questions. And then I became a pastor because the calling of God to me is to serve and to preach the gospels that Jesus Christ is the one to save us. Because man is a sinner. He cannot save himself. So that's why I like to serve God and I will become a missionary to, to share the gospel. Yeah. That's
What do you enjoy about being a missionary?
I enjoy many people that I met and sharing the gospel that Jesus Christ is the only one who can save us from our sin. Okay? So,
Thank you very much for sharing that, Jimmy,
yes.
and take care. And I hope your missionary, your evangelical outreach is working and is successful.
We are what we call it, let me say, is Conservative Baptist Association of the Philippines.
Okay, thanks once again.
Thank
Jimmy.
you
Thank you.
for meeting you. Okay, also.
Mar ay nakapon.
Marhay na hapon sa'yo.
Ay nakapon.
Magsaimo. Sa'yo.
Sa'yo.
Yes, sa'yo.
Ah,
Sa'yo. Marhay na hapon sa'yo din.
Mantindihan ko. Mantindihan. Is this your second-hand store?
What country you are?
Scotland.
Oh,
Scotland is United
United
Kingdom.
States. United Kingdom.
United Kingdom, so Scotland North and England South. You are shy.
You are a singer? You want to marry a Filipina? You want to marry the Filipina?
Oo.
Ah. But you like the Filipina? You like?
What? Filipinos are friendly.
Friendly.
Sense of humor, very good sense of humor.
Palamig kayo po.
Ah.
Hindi na kayo palamig.
Very
Kuya, palamig
funny,
kuya.
sense of humor, caring,
Caring, sweetness,
sweetness,
and then kind,
shy,
shy. Ah, okay.
joke lang. Single,
No, I'm married.
you're married,
I have 2 kids.
2 kids.
Ah.
What age?
I have another
what-
boyfriend. joke.
what age are
Or
babies?
it's, the adult is 14 years old
14?
and 8 years old.
Wow.
Yes.
Boy and girl or?
Boy and girl.
Good.
Ay, kuya, palamig.
Mahay na hapon.
Describe the Philippines.
3.
Describe the Philippines in tour.
No, Philippines walking tour.
Walking tour.
Okay. Salamat.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Ate, magkano tigli? Ate? Ay, may lechon ko. Parang
Marhay na hapon.
Aray na hapon man.
Kamusta ka?
Ayos lang.
Busy karon? Busy na yun?
What?
Daghang customers.
Daghan.
Nag-prepare pa kuya,
Later.
nag-ano
Unya.
pa. Maya-maya konti, usap
Unya.
tayo.
Later.
Later.
In Bicol, how do you say
Later
later?
lang tatataon. Maya-maya.
Taod-taod.
Mamaya.
Taod sa Bicol,
Taod lang.
taod-taod.
What?
Taod-taod ako lang customer.
Taw-taw.
Oh, taod-taod.
Taod-taw.
Later means later. I think
Sayang,
after 1 hour, maybe customers come.
Maintindihan ko.
Oh, yan. Maintindihan mo.
Okay, nice.
Saan ka? Anong nationality mo?
Scottish.
British?
I am from Scotland.
Scotland.
Scotland is United Kingdom.
Yes.
So you have in the north Scotland and
Yeah.
south is England.
How long you been here?
Monday I arrived Monday.
Here in
Monday
Legazpi.
in Legazpi.
But you have a long time here in the Philippines.
Duha semana in Manila.
Dua semana?
And lima
Buwanang yun, Buwanang yun ako.
semana in
Okay na.
Cebu.
Cebu.
So
Okay na.
Bisaya ko gamay.
Bisaya.
Pwede
gamay.
paligya.
And Tagalog, konti lang, Bicol,
Little bit. Very little.
maliit or
Kunti
Maliit.
lang.
Small.
dait.
Diit.
Hindi na
Diit.
pwede baligya.
Diit.
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 My sister is living in Bohol.
Bohol.
Bohol, Panglao.
Panglao is famous for beach, nice
Yes,
place.
beach. In the front of Hanan Beach Resort.
Yeah.
Hanan, I think I forgot the name. Hana Beach
Han-
Resort.
Ana.
Yeah.
And what's her job? Trabaho.
She put laundry shop. Laundry shop
Yeah.
and tutorial school.
Tutorial.
Tutorial and also car, motorbike rental. Like
Yeah.
that.
So she is like business,
Yes.
business owner.
Her
Married-
husband also
married to
is,
foreigner?
Her husband is what? Australian.
Australian.
Yes, Australian. Yeah. Hi ate, bili na kayo lugaw oh, sabi niya kuya.
How do you say it in Bisaya? What is your name? Sa pangalan mo.
Ano sa pangalan sa Bicol, anong pangaran mo?
Anong
Anong pangaran mo?
pangaran mo?
Oo.
Anong pangaran mo?
Signature.
On sa
Anong pangaran mo?
ano daw pangaran mo?
My name is Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Bilas.
Nice to meet you, Jimmy. You are busy, so I let you trabaho.
Back later, sir.
Ingat.
Thank you.
Marhay na hapon. you are making cakes,
Japanese cake, sir.
Japanese cakes.
Yes.
How do you? What's the ingredients of the Japanese cake?
Just like a pancake, sir. Pancake.
So flour, eggs,
Eggs, and
gatas, milk.
milk, sir.
Is that cheese?
Yes. Cheese and chocolate flavor, sir.
Lami, delicious. So Gurano is
5 pesos only,
5
sir.
pesos.
Yes.
Barato.
Yes, barato lang, sir.
Mamaya ay balik.
Sige po, no problem, sir. Thank you po.
Okay.
Yes.
Salamat Don.
Salamat po.
Marhay na hapon is manok. Manok. Oh, baboy. So is lechon baboy? Wala. That's manok. So baboy, baboy. Manok, intestines, yeah. When speak English, voila. What time does it get busy here? Ang oras busy. Alas 6, alas 5. Alas 5. It's YouTube channel. Okay, ingat. Philippines walking tour.
Yes, bye-bye. Let's go.
Chicken manok.
Yes, sir.
I point the camera this.
Sir, yung number, sir.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, first. YouTube channel. Marhay na hapon.
Good afternoon. Yes, hi, girls.
Check out the YouTube channel. You have load on cell phone. Just scan QR code.
Scan.
On YouTube, maybe 2 days. Marhay na hapon. YouTube channel.
Madali, mga dancers, labas.
Guys, ito na lang sayawin natin.
Are you vlogging po?
Oh, YouTube.
You have YouTube channel.
Philippines walking tour.
Can we get your
Yeah. If you just
vacation po here?
vacation vlog, kada adlaw.
Yes.
You can do sayaw.
Yes.
Wala music, because on YouTube, if you have famous tune, it's copyright strike, and then voila, you can do dance without music.
Music na.
Yeah. Angling, magaling.
Itong kantang to, Ben. Ito.
Nalulung. At sige, sabay na kayo. Oh, yan na, start na rin.
Magaling.
That's our dance po.
Salamat Don. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ingat lagi.
We will subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Oh, salamat Don.
Thank you po.
Marhay na hapon.
Maray na hapon po.
It's on YouTube channel.
Philippine
Walking tour YouTube. If you have load on cell phone, you can scan QR code, takes you to channel. Naakay load on cell phone.
I will search it later
Ah,
when
okay.
I get. Thank you.
Okay. Marhay na hapon.
Maray na hapon na po.
Can I film your bubbles? It's okay? It's magaling.
Yay. Wait, sir. Ay, okay lang. At maganda man ako.
Wow.
Di ba, sir? Okay.
Indot.
Yes. Okay. At maganda ako. Joke lang.
Magaling. Salamat Don. Marhay na hapon.
Marhay na hapon po.
Okay. Bye. Bye, baby. Marhay na hapon. Bye. Marhay na hapon.
May nahapon po sa inyo. Ang siya
YouTube channel Philippines
channel.
Philippines walking tour.
Philippines working tour.
You have load on cell phone. Wala load.
What drawing bro? Wala.
It's a QR code. So you camera mantindihan.
Ano po sir? Ano? Shut sir. What?
You have load on cell phone.
Shout out to you Agripa.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. What's
Philippines walking tour.
Subscribe to Philippines walking tour.
Dapat mag-focus ka mo sa English. Tanganing sa English pag nag-agad
Hey,
What?
subscribe to Philippines walking tour.
Wala.
What do you? Shout out. Shout out. Shout out. Wow.
Shout out Maria Persia BMC Bahoy.
Uy, shout out guys kay mga po. Shout out. Bibila bomba na. Shout out may bibila.
Ingat. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Subscribe kita. Subscribe. Yeah, ma-scan din niyo. Scanner. Scan na doon. Yeah. Hey, bro. May scan.
Did you get it? No. You have camera. Switch your let's see. Can you hold that carefully? Hold it tight. Tight.